Tawagin mo Bernard. For Bernard. Saan na kaya?
Saan na kaya lang daw? Saan na kaya lang?
Ay, sir lang. 1, 2. Thank you.
Dito po sa akin. Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Pwede ang question lang una sa kanilang dalawa.
Thank you.
Meron bang pressure sa inyo na yung sundan yung mga love teams na sumikat na sa show? Kasi yung mga love teams sina-expect na
Expect na.
nasisikat kayo na sundan na nila sa Katniel, JD.
I mean, well, hindi mawawala, especially coming from yung mga viewers ng episodes. But sa amin ni Alexa, as long as me and Alexa were happy naman din, happy kasamahan namin. Okay.
We personally try to focus on the pressure and we make sure not to put it on ourselves.
Yeah. Kasi,
Even if ilalagay sa amin yung pressure, we try not to
disconnect. Kasi sa amin, I'm happy with Alexa. I'm happy with her.
And we also something, I think all love teams are different. All love teams have something different to offer, unique traits, individually and together. So, hindi naman pressure or hindi naman kami natatakot. Parang gusto kami dalhin ng universe ni Lord.
Sige.
Pero matagal-tagal na rin yung love team nyo. Ano yung sekreto nyo of being together for a long time? I love team.
Being really, really good friends. Isn't
Yeah.
good friends talaga. As in,
Very
kami
peaceful
na-
lang kasi kami.
Oo.
Sobrang, we barely even talk about work, honestly. But yeah.
Oh, yan. Yun din napansin namin ni Alexa. We don't talk about work. We just talk about our lives. We just, like, kapag kami ni Alexa magkasama, walang camera. I'm just Kyle Daniel Estrada, Katie Estrada.
Alexa lang pangalan mo talaga.
Alexa talaga.
Alexa mo kahit saan.
Naniniwala ba kayo na, excuse lang po, naniniwala ba kayo na pag nakakagawa ng personal yung career nyo, nagkakaroon ng gulo kaya mas pinipili nyo maging private? Yung relationship, kasi kanina na naman tayo. Parang sobrang comfortable na kayo sa isa't isa to the point sa kanina, parang kayo na nag-holding hands na ni Katie. Kamusta?
What you see is what you get.
So, yun lang yung magiging label ng inyong ano.
To be completely honest, I don't think announcing labels are so important. There are some things we would like to keep ourselves because what others don't know, what others don't know will hurt us. That makes sense. What they don't know will hurt us. But yeah, we show our true selves naman. But we don't think we have to announce.
So you talk about that. Keeping it semi-private, you talk about that.
Pwede mo about the movie lang? Huwag yung ano,
But
personal.
yeah,
About
yes,
the movie
naman.
lang.
Kasi we've been asked naman that many times. So, it's not really something na nag-sit down conversation naman. But parang with our personalities, napagkasundoan naman.
Pero mas ano ba, Alexa, nakakatulong ba sa love team nyo ni Katie na pag meron may mga personal relationship or hindi ba siya nakaka-affect? Do you think it's an advantage or disadvantage na magka-partner kayo?
I think it's an advantage, of course, because you feel inspired to go to work. And you have a lot of fun. There's like extra fun going to work when there's someone that inspires you to go. I haven't really felt any disadvantage.
And naniniwala ka ba na you don't owe something to the fans na para aminin kung ano man yung meron kayo?
I think somehow we owe it to them to be truthful in our actions. In our actions, what we choose to show other people. But we also have boundaries. So, yeah.
So after this film, meron ba kayong mga next project ni Katie together or you're
Well,
going solo na?
right now I'm working on a new musical. It's called Liwanag sa Dilim, featuring the songs of Rico Blanco.
Okay,
Pero Alexa, kumusta yung experience working with, ulitin ko rin tanong, with KB syempre? Kasi off-cam, medyo sanay na kayo magkasama. On-cam, medyo acting na yung gagawin mo. So, kumusta?
And this is for, more of Katie talaga eh.
Okay.
And I'm really happy to be here supporting him, and I see his growth every time na nagkakatrabaho kami, and it's really heartwarming, and it makes me feel very proud because he really takes this seriously. Whatever the role, how big, how small, comedy, drama, whatever, he really strives for greatness, and that makes me very proud because I do the same. So it's nice to be with a partner then who doesn't only challenge you but also not naman compete but wants to always be better.
Ikaw ba, ma-vlog ka ding bang tao?
Dati po, actually, kasi I'm proud to say that I was one of the first artista vloggers or vloggers in YouTube. Nung sa mga makeup tutorial, I was one of those, like 2016 or 15 maybe, 17. I tried to dabble into the world of vlogging, and every now and then, minsan po, pasapot-sapot, nag-vlog pa din, but it's not really my focus.
So now, yung vlog mo, medyo
Ano na po,
In hiatus.
I don't post as frequent, but usually when I travel, ayun, I would vlog rather than vlog.
Pero nakagawa na kami ng short film. Pero in regards sa movie, ito yung first namin
First time pa lang, ano yung experience na hindi mo makakalimutan?
Yung mga eksena namin ni Alexa, syempre. Kasi na-notice ko din sa sarili ko na mas fluid kami. Ngayon, may matuwa ng mga linya. At mas malakas na yung chemistry namin on screen ni Alexa. Kasi, syempre, kapag kilala mo yung nakawork mo siya ng ilang beses, makakasa ng tulad. And it's gonna improve only. Yeah, strengthen
The second winner
At meron
is
ba sa level up yung relationship niyo? Dahil sa film na to?
Justin Montas.
I mean, hindi lang dahil sa film na to kasi it's unfair. Kasi kami ni Alexa,
We have one more.
kahit hindi kami nag-cover.
So ano ba? Handa na kayong kumain ni Alex?
Kami na,
About your relationship?
what you see is what you get.
Montas and one
Sige ba?
Well, it's not something I live by or I follow strictly. Pero sa isip ko naman po, wala naman din mawawala. Sumunod ko minsan-minsan, but it's not something I believe in 100%. Laging may benefit of the doubt. For some reason, I believe in God and whatever His will is for me. Pero ayun nga talaga. Minsan hindi naman, kaya ko naman like mag-ingat sa health ko. Parang naging reminder na lang siya. But yeah, it's not something I would live by like very strictly.
Alexa, ito pa yung first movie together nyo ni Kimi. Oo, kumusta yung naging experience mo? And sabi niya kasi kanina, mas lumalim daw yung getting to know, kakakilala niya.
Well, to be honest, actually, isang shooting day pa lang kami. Mas nakakatakot. But it's been a really fun experience kasi, especially with the staff, nakakasama ko sila sa panahon sa agency. Kasi work sa so, medyo may sense of familiarity and medyo at-home din ako sa kanila. And si Direk Jill, sobrang ball of energy. So, sobrang saya lang namin sa set. And of course, working with Katie, I'm very proud of him kasi nakita ko kung gaano siya seryoso sa ginagawa niya. So, I just let him be. And na-analyze ko lang siya kapag kailangan niya. And yeah, overall, it's been a really fun experience.
One-way journey up. It's up and down. It's a roller coaster din. May mga times na nagkakaroon na hindi mo mapabuhat yung dating weight or makakakain ka ng medyo madami or kasi feel mo na bloated ka. Pero it's all a part of fitness.
Pero when you work out together, ang ginagawa nyo?
Calisthenics or calisthenics. Ayan. Ayun lang.
May abangan bang I mean, yung tandem niyo dito sa collab, may abangan kilig or intimate scenes or
Intimate scenes on...
I mean,
Pure gold to.
Hindi, by pure gold pero
Hindi, walang intimate scenes. Like, kilig scenes, yes, pero intimate, no. I'm not ready for that. Like, even if I'm doing some a bit of bodybuilding, it doesn't mean I'm gonna do intimate scenes. Or it doesn't mean Alexa's getting fitter. It doesn't mean she's gonna do intimate scenes. We do it for ourselves.
Picture na lang kita. Thank you.
Take the picture.
To maintain it is another conversation. So, ayun, workout is very. Kasi pag gusto walang work, nasa gym ako halos ang try to eat as clean as I can. But may cheat din paminsan-minsan. Enjoy life. Lahat ng supplements, vitamins, minerals, ang pampaganda na healthy or natural people to. At si Dr. Bello, maraming salamat po, Dr. Bello. Lahat ng pwede kong machine na ipagawa, ipapagawa. When you age, are you open to when I age? Why not? If I feel like tama, kasi I mean, for me lang, ngayon pa nga lang as young as I am right now, I try to prevent. I'm not scared of aging naman or anything. I know that will happen to me inevitably no matter what I do. But syempre, if I can prolong it, if I can keep it that way, I will do that.
Alexa, parang kay ni KD, parang ang 2025 ay fitness era nyo, no?
Actually, alam niyo po, it's been something I've been trying to do since 2020. So, I've been a work in progress talaga. It's something I've been working on.
Magkalayo kayo ng bahay ni KD, pero do you have a time to work out together?
Actually, not. We've tried, pero ang layo kasi talaga ni KD sa akin. And yung oras namin na mag-workout, ako sa morning, siya sa shift. And ayoko sa gabi nag-gym. So, hindi kami nagkakasabay. And iba yung style, iba yung workout na nag-work for him, and iba yung sa akin. So, focus na lang ako. Yung gym din naman is like me time for me.
Pero how do you motivate each other to keep yourself fit?
Honestly, kasi we both understand the value of being consistent. How consistency is truly key. You don't need motivation when you have consistency. That's the kind of discipline we need to instill sa mind ko. So ako, I'm very thankful naman na I'm able to have that kind of behavior. So andun lang kami like whenever we go to the gym, lagi lang na, good job, you did it. Even if we didn't want to, you did it, good job. Parang mga ganun lang.
Saan bagay pa kayo consistent? Saan bagay pa kayo consistent?
Pagkain.
Pagkain ka?
Hindi kami kumain, sobra. Kaya din siguro extra push din mag-workout kasi I really love to eat. We love such big foodies, super foodies talaga. Kasi that's how we enjoy life. Like, salamat po yun na marami din ginagawa para kontra. Marami pagkain din. Thank you. It's something I choose for myself.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alexa.